Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Farel Adlufi. I'm from 9.3 of Junior High School Bilingual Muslimat and Puchang, and my attendance list is 10. In this video, I will to read about innovation business. Welcome to today's Business Podcast. The focus of this podcast is to think about innovation and why it's important, and also to look at different types and stage of innovation. By the end of it, you will hopefully have a better grasp on the topic of innovation and be able to better understand and drive innovation in both your working and personal life. So, why is innovation important? Well, simply put, without innovation, it would be difficult to make progress. Organization is societies would stagnate. Innovation is what drives you forward. It's what forces you to complete in the business world. It's what leads to better products and service and solution to new and existing problems. From a business point of view, it's also something which is necessary for survival. Four key types of innovation are incremental, disruptive, architectural, and radical. Incremental innovation involves innovating increments or small stage step by step. It focuses on existing markets and technologies and aims to make improvement and design change to existing product and service. Disruptive innovation aims to bring new ideas like technology or process to existing markets. In that sense, the innovation will disrupt the market and the companies currently serving that market. The first touchscreen smartphone disrupted the mobile phone industry because up to then mobile phones had buttons and keypads. Architectural innovation involves taking successful ideas from one market or industry and applying them to a new or different market. This often happens when people think of there of other unconventional uses of existing technology. A good example of this can be seen in vacuum company Dyson's entry into the hand dryer and hair dryer market. Their advanced airflow technology from their vacuum cleaner and was applied in refers to machines that blow out air. In the case of these examples, it's personal hair dryer and hand dryer in public toilets. And finally, we come to radical innovation. This is where a completely new idea is created for a market that doesn't exist yet. It's often what we think of when we think of innovation, and it often swallows up existing market. For example, the birth and growth of digital and downloadable music has practically led to the death of music, CDs, and even DVDs. Similarly, film and TV streaming service may lead to the demise of traditional TV within a few short years. Moving on from types of innovation, let's have a quick look at 5K stage of innovation. The first stage is idea generation. This is where you think of the initial idea and develop it into a more detailed proposal or plan. The next stage is support. You need to check if you can get support of it. For example, from senior leaders or stakeholder in your company. If you're innovating in your personal life, Then the support you might need could be from friend or family. Do they think it's a good idea and they think would work? The third step is to experiment and test out the idea. The code meant creating a sample or a prototype of it. If it's a product or if it's a service, you could test out a basic version of it. The fourth step is evaluation. You need to assess how successful or your experiment were and what change of large success your idea will have. And finally, you then need to actually implement your idea. That's the five stage. So there you have it. We've looked at four case types of innovation: incremental, disruptive, architectural, and radical, and also five stages of successful innovation. Firstly, idea generation, then the get support, next experiment and test out the idea. The fourth stage is evaluation and finally implementation. Okay, maybe that's all I can say about innovation business. More or less, I'm so sorry. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.